Here is a top tip that will help you get those super sharp edges on your cake. I hope that you'll try this next time you decorate a cake and you will see the difference. So, decorate your cake in the usual way, making sure that you have applied buttercream to the top and to the side of your buttercream. I like to leave a small edge of a rim of buttercream around the top. Pop it in the fridge or freezer until it is set. You must be working with a totally chilled cake. Now, once the cake is chilled, all you have to then do is use a kitchen knife to gently take off the edges of the buttercream remaining, just like you've seen me do in this video. Now, another pro tip, don't do it all at once, because if you take off too much, well, you can't put it back. So it is easier to just gently go over, taking off bit by bit until you achieve those sharp edges that you see on Instagram cakes. You too can make amazing cakes and decorate cakes that look amazing with Dr. Mommy Cakes. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button now.